This dance is called Cry to Me. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on the left foot, step left to the side, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Shuffle forward on the right, step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, further half shuffle over the right shoulder, quarter close quarter. That set of steps once more then. Side back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle. Now there is the equivalent of a full turn right in that very first section. Step, pivot, half shuffle. If you want to try and take that particular turn out, what you can actually do is rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle back on the left. Take out that full turn should you need to do so. So make a further quarter turn right as you step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Into a mambo cross, so we rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left. Rock forward on the left, but you're going to rock into the diagonal corner, so to 130 and recover. Add on a little weave, left foot leading, behind side cross. So that set of steps once more then. Quarter turn off on that right. 7, 8, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross. Let's add that to the top. Side back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross. Rock forward on the right, but again you're going to rock forward to the diagonal of 430. So we rock forward on the right, recover the weight on the left. Cross the right behind the left, turn a quarter left as you step that left forward, step forward on the right. Into a mambo half a turn. So you rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, turn half left, stepping that left forward. Shuffle forward on the right. So that little set of steps once more then. Rocking forward into that diagonal off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo half, right shuffle. Now we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section. So when you're doing that behind quarter turn and then you do that mambo half, you're effectively making 3/4 of a turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do as alternative steps is once you've rocked forward on that right and recovered, go into a weave. So we cross the right behind, left to the side, cross the right over. So we don't do any turning at that point. Rock to the side on the left as you recover your weight, make a quarter turn to the right, step forward on the left. That takes out that mambo half turn and you can just shuffle forward on the right. So non-turning steps should you need to take that bit out. So let's add that onto the top. Side back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo step, right shuffle. Walk forward 2 steps, left, right. Cross rock, left over right. Recover your weight on the right. Step the left to the side. Step the right beside the left, left beside the right. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, right beside the left, and you're ready to start the dance again. So it's almost like some little cha-cha type steps, but you step into the side to start them off. So that set of steps once more then. Walking forward on the left. 7, 8, walk, walk, cross, rock, side, close, close, side, close, close. That's the end of the dance. Let's add it to the top all the way through. Side, back, rock off on the left. 7, 8, side, back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo, cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo, half, right shuffle, walk, walk, cross rock, side, close, close, side, close, close. Start the dance again. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side back rock off on the left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So hopefully you get a feel for the timing. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Side back rock off on the left. 7, 8, side back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo half, right shuffle, walk, walk, cross rock side, close, close side, close, close side, back rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo half, right shuffle, walk, walk, cross rock side, close, side, close. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, back, rock, right shuffle, step, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind step, mambo half, right shuffle, walk, cross rock side, close side, back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, half shuffle, turn, cross, mambo cross, forward rock, behind side cross, forward rock, behind turn step, mambo half, right shuffle, walk, cross rock side, close side, back rock, turn cross, forward rock, walks, side back rock, turn, forward rock, walks,
come in the night, but there's no one. Don't you feel like a crying? Don't you feel like crying? Don't you feel like a
Hope you managed that one.